Hey everyone, hope you're doing well. My name is Renji, founder and CEO of Hydro, and we have our monthly update. So let's get into it. Starting with tech, the Geyser Platform, we've received a highly secure rating from our smart contract audit, and the user acceptance testing has been successfully completed. We're ready to go live. So what is a Geyser? It's essentially a task to earn platform, do XYZ, follow us on Twitter, talk about us, and then you can earn points. Real simple, right? In our token. For Hydro Plus, contracts have been updated to reflect the change. So we've been having a lot of trouble with Moonpay. Sometimes it's working, sometimes it's not. But there are some changes we've done to kind of adhere to their new changes, right? It's set to deploy on staging this week with those new changes. Migration 2.0 staging deployment is complete. In terms of scaling, we've implemented queuing service optimizations and improved bot tracking, which is undergoing testing. So scaling is important because then we don't have drop-offs in sessions that we're counting. So there is some major changes we've undertaken and are currently happening. This revolves around loyalty, community plus, and the freemium tiers and plus tiers. All good things, making a more healthy and sustainable ecosystem overall. I'm not going to reveal what's going on right now, but it's some pretty significant changes, but it's good overall. I will be talking about that probably in the next bi-weekly update that you see. And yeah. So we've also had a security session with our external and internal teams in regards to, we had a hack on our Twitter, so how we're rotating keys, how things are going on to make sure that these type of episodes do not happen or breaches happen, right? In terms of customer support, 148 tickets were handled in August, and in-platform notification improvements were deployed on September 11th. Let's move to marketing. Some great publications, great PR, so Visionary Finance, Coinpedia, Block Leaders, podcast with Synopsis, also dropped an internal blog we wrote about the intimacy economy. Gabe took a AMA with Crypto Stalkers, and for people that probably did not notice, our updated roadmap is live on the website as well. Check it out. Social media, let's talk about some numbers. On Twitter, we finally hit 200k followers, yay! Impressions are up by 85% and is at 126,000. Engagement going down significantly. Telegram now has 43,000 members with 21.8% increase in viewing members. On Instagram, we currently are at 16,709 followers, down about 0.5% or so, nothing significant, and we reached about 500 new accounts. Right? LinkedIn, we're at 6,050 followers, bringing our totals to almost 20,000. That's it for this month. If anything, just drop us a message in DMs or hit us up in the chats. Thanks everyone. Take it easy. Bye.